Good morning, good morning. So this morning I'm going to be talking about the 5 items that we take when we overland. So let's get to it. Item number 1. It's going to be our Glock 19. We always take this for security purposes. You never know what's going to happen. So this is item number 1. Great little piece. Item number 2, we always take our GoPro Hero 4. We also take the Hero Session 5. I mean, we record a lot, so we take these little gadgets with us. They're great. That's item number 2. Item number 3 is going to be the Streamlight. Yeah, we take this little light. It's an amazing little light to have, and very useful. Item number 4 is going to be our Griptilian Benchmade. We just got this one from OK 4-wheel drive, ARB, and having a knife is just very useful for many things when overlanding. As you guys know, those who overland are constantly using knives to cut, I don't know, anything. Paracord, branches, tinder, to make fire, all kinds of stuff. We also take our Spyderco Delica. That's a nice little knife. That's item number 4. And then item number 5 is going to be our Paracord 550. We use Paracord 550 for everything. I mean, use it to add extra security for our tents, our restroom tent. We use it to hang our light under the rooftop tent, for many things. Anyhow, guys, these are the 5 items that we always take with us. Obviously, we take more items, but these are kind of like the main things that we take. I'm sure we could have a list of 15-20 items that we always take, but these are the 5 items. Anyhow, make sure you hit our subscribe button, and love to make more videos for you guys. Alright, bye bye.